It can be tough deciding on what business you should start. There are so many options out here today with the internet and with the way that we can get products and we can do services. There's a lot of different ways that we can get out here on the internet and start our own business from our home. It's becoming very popular for people to start their own businesses because it's a lot easier today to get started than it used to be in the past. So today I want to talk to you about 4 different questions that you really need to ask yourself when deciding on what business it is that you should start and what business it is that you might be successful in. So today I'm going to break down 4 different questions that you should really ask yourself before you get started. My name is John McFall, and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel, where I teach you how to make money and I teach you how to use the money that you make. In today's video, I'm going to break down for you 4 different things that you can ask yourself that's really going to help you determine what it is that you should sell so that you can get your online or home-based business going. I would like to ask, if you do find value by the end of this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can continue to get the content that I put out. A lot of people struggle because there are so many different options out there for you to get started in your own business. And we see a lot of ads like on YouTube from these guru type people that tell you that they've got the magic pill and they've got the answer for you, and they're going to show you, if you just pay them, how to get your business going and what business it is that you should do. And I don't really think that this is an approach that you should take. The first thing I'm going to suggest that you do is take a look at what you are interested in. We all have experiences in life. We all have done things in our life that really excited us and that really inspired us, and it seems like something that you might want to do. Take a look at your past experiences, because when you start your own business, you need to start something that's going to be something that you're passionate about and something that you're going to want to do long term, and something that's really going to excite you to get out of bed to get something going and to do something. So when you take a look at what business you want to start by taking a look at what your past experiences are and what you're good at, so that you can get into something that you actually like doing and something that you'll be excited to do over the long term. The second thing I'm going to suggest that you do is take a look at what actually sells. If you're looking to sell products, especially, go to places like eBay and go to places like Amazon and do your research behind what it is that you're thinking about doing, because you can have a great idea or a great product that you think is good, but if you go to start selling that product, you're not going to find people that are going to buy it if they're not interested. So really do your research behind your idea and take a look at what products are selling on Amazon. And also, if you're starting some type of service, take a look at what services people are buying, whether it's a person or whether it's a business. Take a look and do your research up front so you can see what's going to be popular to sell. If you do this, it also will allow you to take a look at what the successful people are doing for your product or service online to get the clients to buy. If you do your research and you find the most popular ones out there, you can duplicate what those people are doing so you have a better chance of selling it. So make sure before you jump into it that you do your research up front so that you can see if it is something that's going to sell, and you can also get an idea of what people are doing to sell it. The third thing I'm going to recommend that you do is, once you have decided what you would be excited about and you've done your research so that you can see if it's something that people are going to buy, the next thing that you need to do is you need to find out where to get the product at, whether you're going to make it yourself or whether you're going to have somebody else manufacture it, or whether you're just going to buy a finished product outright from a company to resell. Make sure that you take the time to do your research on where you're going to get your products at, so that you can make sure that you get something that is going to be profitable for you. When you take a look at buying or having products manufactured, or even buying the raw materials to manufacture the product yourself, you want to make sure that you can be profitable with it. So make sure that with the third step that you take a look at where you can buy and how you can get the product for yourself so that you can sell it to make a product. The service, if you're going to do a service, take a look at the different things that people are selling around the service that you're interested in doing. And if you need to increase your skills so that you can sell that service to people, take a look at where you can educate yourself and where you can get the information that you need to put together the service the right way, so that you can sell a good, solid service to the people that you're looking to sell to. So before you jump into it, make sure that you research where you're going to get the product, or where you're going to get the knowledge to be able to sell it to the people. The fourth and the final thing I want to talk to you about is where you're actually going to sell it. When you started thinking about it and you decided on what product it was, you did some research and found out where people are selling it and how popular it is. But make sure that you dig a little bit deeper and find out where you can find those clients that are going to buy it from you. You've really got to narrow down your client, because you can't sell everything to everybody. It just doesn't work. If you think that you're going to start getting a product or service together and you're just going to throw it out to everybody and see who jumps on it, this is really a bad way to start marketing your business. You want to create what we call an avatar, and this is determining, who that person is that's going to buy that product from you, and this will lead you into where you can find those people and the best way to market to them. It might be on Google, it might be on eBay, it might be on Etsy, it might be on Pinterest, it might be on Facebook or Instagram or Snapchat or TikTok or YouTube. There's a lot of different ways that you can market your products or services to people. So you want to find where the avatar, where that one person is that you can get your stuff in front of, so that you can sell it to people. So you want to make sure that you're finding out where those people are and where they hang out, so you can get your information in front of them, so that you can present your offer to the right people that are going to actually buy from you. The bottom line is this: if you want to sell a product or service, you've got to do something that you're experienced in and passionate about. If you want to do something long term, you also have to research where you're going to get that product, or where you're going to get the knowledge that you need to be able to sell that service. And then you need to find out where you can get that product, or how you're going to create that service, and finally how you're going to be in front of the right people to sell it. It really takes a lot of work getting something started and starting in your own home-based or online business. So make sure you're doing all this research up front so you get it started the right way. You might start it and it might not go the way you want, and you're going to have to learn as you go. But if you do the research up front, it's going to take that learning curve a lot less to get that stuff going for you. So make sure that you do all the research up front, and this will really help you get that product and service that's going to be the right one for you, and it's also going to help you get it in front of the right people so that you can sell it and start making money. There's a lot of different ways, like I said at the beginning of the video, that you can get into your own business, and the best way that you can determine what business is right for you is to make sure that you do the research research up front. One thing I want to talk about is some great tools that I have down here in my description. If you're thinking about starting or doing a YouTube channel, and this is the way that you want to market to the people that you're trying to sell to, one of the best tools that I've used since the beginning of my channel to get my channel more views and more likes and more subscribers is TubeBuddy. And I'm going to throw a quick video up here so you guys can check it out.
Whether you're looking to improve an existing YouTube channel or you're starting out fresh, TubeBuddy can help. This Google Chrome extension is a safe, convenient way to grow your following. SEO tools help you choose keywords to maximize visibility, while analytics give you precise insights into your channel's progress. You can edit thumbnails and descriptions en masse, or post videos to your Facebook without having to leave the site. It can even audit your content to help prevent devastating demonetization. You can try TubeBuddy for free, but some features require a monthly subscription. Click the link below to learn more.
TubeBuddy is a great tool that you can use to get your channel off the ground and get it going the right way. TubeBuddy is a tool that you can use that's really going to help you, and you can start using it for absolutely free. If you do get a paid version of TubeBuddy, with the link down here in the description, I do get a commission from it, but as I said, you can start using TubeBuddy for free, and then once your channel starts growing and you need bigger and better tools, you can get into the paid versions. I'd also like to ask you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. Finally, I want to leave you with, I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.